In front of me is Oukitel WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Collections at the bottom. Either way, when you find all of your photos to get rid of, hold one of them and click those type of dots at the top right corner. Then to keep some, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use delete icon at the bottom of Photos section or at the top of Collections one. Then hit got it and tap on move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!